Good day, good day, good day. I hope everyone is doing great. So, today we have a very nice topic: Forex trading for beginners and how to get started. This one is very interesting, guys. Very, very interesting. But please don't forget to smash that subscribe button and share with your friends. Right, so let's go straight to it. So Forex trading is one of the most exciting and potentially lucrative ways to make money online. But for beginners, it can be overwhelming and confusing. We know about that. So you may have seen ads or heard stories of people making a huge profits in Forex trading, and now you want to give it a try. But before you dive in, it's important to understand the basics of Forex trading and how it works. In this video, actually, I will explain what Forex trading is, how it works, and give you some tips on how to get started, right? So Forex trading or Forex exchange trading is the act of buying and selling currencies with the aim of making a profit. Obviously, we want to make profit, right? So it involves exchanging one currency for another at an agreed upon price. So I hope now maybe you're still with me. So currency exchange rates fluctuate consistently, and trades can make money by correctly predicting which way, or let me just repeat that, traders can make money by correctly predicting which way the exchange rate will move, up or down, right? Sell or buy, something like that. There are many different strategies and techniques traders use to make predictions. There are videos that I actually shared how to analyze the market. You can just go check that on my channel. So there are many different strategies and techniques traders use to make predictions, but it's important to remember that there is no surefire way to predict market movement. You can't just say, oh, I'm 100% the market will go this way. No, you don't have to. No one knows. We just actually use the tools that tells us that, you know what, the market might move in this way, the market might move in that way, right? So to get started with Forex trading, you will need to choose a broker and a trading platform. MetaTraders or TradingViews, you know. So on a broker site, I have a recommended broker, which is EXNESS. Check on my description, you will find the link. So to get started with Forex trading, you will need to choose a broker. I already recommended that to you, and a trading platform. There are many different brokers and platforms to choose from. So it's important to do your research and find one that fits your needs and goals. Once you have chosen a broker and a platform, it's time to start trading. You will need to deposit some money into your trading account, then start placing trades. It's important to remember that Forex trading involves risk, and you could lose money if you are not careful. That's why it's important to start with a small amount of money and to always use stop loss orders to limit your losses. We don't really want to lose, guys. We don't really want to lose. Make sure that you always use a stop loss. As you gain more experience and knowledge, you can increase your trading capital and start making large trades. But it's important to always be disciplined and to never risk more than you can afford to lose. Don't lose money that you were supposed to pay rent. Don't just use the money that you were supposed to pay something. Use an extra cash, right? So There are many online communities and resources available for Forex traders where you can learn from other traders, share tips and strategies, and get support when you need it. Like this channel, you can get all types of videos actually trying to help you with your trading strategies, how to draw the lines, entries, all those things. So if you are interested in Forex trading, do your research, start small, and always be disciplined. With the right mindset and approach, Forex trading can be a rewarding and exciting way to make money online. Okay? Thank you for watching. Happy trading. Bye.